How it is? Yes.
Yeah.
De Usuetarium.
Guess my first question, what should my friends do? This letter is not meant to offend you. If we ain't making it better, we can't pretend to. We got a health
You gotta feel it.
to attend to.
Aye, aye, aye.
Sicker than ever is more than meant to. Too many funerals to attend to.
He's right here with
The
us.
system is against you. If you can fix it at all, please attempt to. Hospital virus, that's what they talking about. Too many walking in, don't get to walk it out. We used to boil some bush to sort it out.
Look at me, brother. G-Starum.
Turn into coffee.
G-Starum. So you know what it is?
We stand into.
We got it right here in the studio.
So we take it.
It's the Bandit, baby.
It's the Bandit, baby. We can start holding.
Nice. First of all, Aruba Bandit, welcome to Aruba. This is your home.
Absolutely. I'm home. I'm home.
Rubiano.
Yeah, what's that?
So, I want to thank you for bringing what I've been through into your song.
Absolutely.
Wasn't easy, and it's not easy. People think it might be easy, but it's not. Why? I didn't even talk about it because people, when they see you, they don't know what you've been through, you know.
Correct.
And I've been through I've been through a lot. 9 weeks on a bed that the only thing you try to do is walk, and you can't. And it's really what is the word to say of it? It's something that people cannot imagine, not even think about it. Like, what is to be in your shoes?
Yeah, correct.
And listen to a song. You brought it. You put it everything into that song. It's really nice. I want to thank you for that.
Absolutely.
And also to bring something that's really happening in Aruba. It's a shame to say, but this is the truth. That doctors here, it's not all the doctors, but there are a lot of doctors over there that it's not working the way it's supposed to be working.
Correct.
The system is not functioning the way it's supposed to be functioning. So, and many people are leaving this island because of that. And as you can see, it's incredible that a lot of people are stuck into this area, like for the treatment. Anything that if you have a cold, you already know that you don't even have to go to the doctor because you know what they're gonna give you.
Absolutely.
It's paracetamol, things like that. You know, you're already there.
Absolutely.
So paracetamol is mostly for everybody now.
Yep. It's for everybody and for everything.
Even if you've died, they give you paracetamol.
They give it to you for everything.
So it's a nice song, letter to the prime, the prime minister.
Yep.
So it's nice, and I also said to many people out there that sometimes we have hospitality, but we don't have the hospitality in that area.
Correct.
Because forgetting everything. So you brought something like, hey, you know what? Let's do this and listen to the song, listen to the message, and you know what? It's nice that there's not only you seeing this, but it's the world seeing that. Hey, what's going on here? That with the doctors, we got some people from USA, the States, just came here to live, and said, "Oh my goodness, man, I have to go back to the States for the
healthcare."
The healthcare. So it's incredible.
Yeah.
And by that also means that you brought something for a message. Hey, you know what? We are calling for help.
Absolutely. It's important to start the conversation.
Yeah.
Right? It's important to start the conversation because we see it. All of our we have family members here that go through it all the time. You know, some people go into the hospital, they don't make it out, and we don't know why. So it's been an increase in things happening of late that I felt like it was a good time to at least start the conversation. So if we start talking about it, it escalates to the right people to really do something and make some type of change, even if it's a small change to start with.
Yeah.
any change right now is better than no change.
Exactly, and the thing that important the most right now is the message you bring in, huh? Because this song is a message.
Yes.
Like, hey, listen, you live in New York, but you know what's happening in Aruba.
Absolutely.
and I don't know if it did happen to you, but for instance, like for me, in my case, I have somebody talking to me in the hospital, and when I reach home, they receive a call that that person passed away.
Yeah.
And it's really strange. It did happens. It did happens once that I leave somebody that knows and talks to me and said, "Don't worry, go home. I'll be good." And I'll be chilling right now. In the midnight, I receive a call that he's not.
Somebody passed away.
Yeah, and it's really strange. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. To not give complication about that, to bring right now this stuff as the message, the letter to PM.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about this, how you started, and how was it that you, hey, you know what, I come with this idea and I want to bring it.
Well, it was a combination of things, because this is something that that's been on my mind for like a long time, because we see it. Like I still have all my family and friends that's still down there.
Yeah.
So they deal with the healthcare system too. So there was like a few points that I highlighted in the song. Like I think working 6 days a week is a burnout, right? Like that's a lot for one person to you know. You work 6 days or you get every other day off or something. It's kind of like you competing for some time off to get some rest, right? And if you don't feel good, you have to, in order for you to stay home, you have to go see a doctor in order for you to be able to stay home from work. So I think, you know, in all fairness, there should be a better system in place that you can like gain some sick hours and you can use it when you need it.
Yeah.
Use it just to take the day off. Sometimes your body just need to reset. So you don't necessarily have to go to the doctor and get treatment, but you just need to stay home, rest, and you know, get back to work on the day after. So there's a few things like that that's been happening a lot that I wanted to make sure that I spoke about.
Jeff is outside, but we're live right now. Jeff, just a bit. We come to you. We come to you in a bit. But how did you know about my situation?
Well, I saw yours online. So
Yeah.
first I heard about it. You know, me and Jeff, you know, family pretty much. So I heard about the situation early. I heard about when it just happened and when you were going back and forth to the hospitals.
Yeah.
I think I reached out to you earlier on, and a family member responded to me. So I had sent you a text message, and one of your family members said that you were in the hospital, so you weren't able to respond.
Yeah.
And then, you know, I was just tracking it all the way through. Then when I saw when you came back and did the live, I sat and watched the whole thing to get a better understanding of what was going on.
It wasn't easy, man.
I know.
It
I could
wasn't
tell.
It wasn't easy at all, man.
Yeah, I felt the emotions on the live, so I
Oof.
thought it was important that, you know, people were really listening to it.
And the thing is, it's nice how we can see things and more people see it. Because sometimes we just relax. Oh no, you get a fall. Oh, you fall today. Tomorrow you'll be okay. But it's not like that, because it doesn't happen the day after.
Correct.
It happens in a while.
It does. Yeah, it takes the time. And that's the important thing, too, is making sure that we follow up when things happen, because, you know, we grow up with the mentality of, you know, shake it off, sleep it off, give it a day, give it a two.
Yeah.
But sometimes it's not like that, especially as we get older, our bodies get more fragile. So it's important for us to make sure that we're following up. But when we do follow up, it's important that we get in the right diagnosis and the right treatment, and make sure that they telling us exactly what's going on with our bodies. So that's the other thing.
All right.
Yeah, we want to save that one for a minute.
Yeah. We save
that record.
Okay. Right now, today, we're not gonna.
A little bit later. Yeah, let's give it
Later.
a couple of minutes on that one. Yeah.
So right now, you're recording the video of this song, Letter to the PM, or just you bringing this one and the new one?
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot videos for both,
Okay.
but not right yet. So I'm
Okay.
gonna let it sit on the radio for a little bit. I'm gonna let it go on rotation for a little bit,
Okay.
and I'm gonna make sure I get the visuals right.
Okay, because I can send you some pictures.
Yeah, absolutely.
send
We're
you
gonna link.
some-
We're gonna link
yeah.
and get it right.
Yeah. So shout out to Jefferson is outside. Listen to us right now. He's smiling though.
That's what's up.
And you know what funny? It's a small world. Let me tell you why. Because when the first time I always interview Jefferson.
Yeah.
And I never spoke about I play basketball because used to play
Correct,
basketball.
correct.
And I was like, yeah, I used to play basketball. We used to go Graven-Zissendorf. We used to jump the walls. Then we had security running after us just because we want to play the sports.
Correct,
you know?
correct.
Okay, so it's nice. And when then he started talking, he said, hey, listen, this and this and that. Well, what? But I know they're my partners, they're my friends. And it's nice to see how small it is that we like family.
Of course, absolutely. That's definitely our family.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So how is it right now in New York for you guys? It's cold.
It's been too cold. It's been a cold winter, man. So many snowstorms done hit us.
Yeah.
Back to back. I done dug my car out of the snow maybe 4 or 5 times already, and then because the weather's so cold, all the snow was turning into ice, and then there was no rain. But now the weather's starting to change now, so I'm here now. I think yesterday and today was going up to the 60s or something. So.
Wow.
Too many funerals.
But this song, Letter to the PM, it's Letter to PM. It's gonna be something.
Yeah, let's get into the PM.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's get into the PM.
For sure.
This letter is not meant.
And it's nice also that that you're bringing stuff always what's happening to the island.
Absolutely.
And what did you feel to see what's really going on right now? Because you travel, when you come back, you see some changes. So what did you see right now?
I see a lot of changes. There's a lot of debates I saw going on online. I agree with some of the comments about the changes on the island. A lot of it is it's positive because it brings a lot of people and attention here, but then. But people and attention also can bring some negative as well.
Yeah.
So the combination of the two is like bittersweet, but it's still paradise.
Yeah.
It's still paradise.
It's still paradise.
System is against you.
So this is the Letter to PM.
Yes.
We're gonna play it for you.
Don't get to walk.
And then we're coming and bringing the new one, the latest one,
The
huh?
latest one. Yeah.
Get ready with
Get
this.
ready for that one.
Guess my first question, what should my friends do? This letter is not meant to offend you. If we ain't making it better, we can't pretend to. We got a healthcare system to attend to. We all sicker than ever, it's more than mental. Too many funerals to attend to. You can't live when the system is against you. If you can fix it at all, please attempt to. Hospital virus, that's what they talking about. Too many walking in, don't get to walk it out. We used to boil some bush to sort it out, but now the coffin turn into coffins down. We feel ignored, so we standing together. We demand to be heard, so we take every measure. Asking for life, so our kids live forever. I'm thinking we can start holding change with this letter.
What about the people in this country? Prime Minister, tell me, can you not see?
My letter to the PM.
No help for the sick, we call for some change. Will you choose our health? Will our lives be saved?
My boy 101 almost left and went above us, but thankfully God got him covered. Doctor saw all the pain that he suffered, but still sent him home in agony and discomfort. We crying out for help, but they can't see you. Need flights to Colombia to save our people. We don't want to, but we might need to. They treating us at home like we not equal. Paracetamol is the magic pill, but it's more like a vitamin and sauce to heal. It can cure anything, and that's not real. When it fails, did they die or did they get killed? So how do we start all the change that is needed so we can see our great grandmothers keep breathing, the babies grow up so they can start reading, Aruba get strong? This could be the reason.
What about the people in this country? Prime Minister, tell me, can you not see?
My letter to the PM.
No help for the sick, we call for some change. Will you choose our health? Will our lives be saved?
My letter to the PM, slotted in the DM, asking that you end the crisis that we in. Turn all the pain to smiles when you see them. It may not mean much now until you beat them. My letter to the PM,
Sliding in the DM.
asking that you end the crisis that we in. Turn all the pain to smiles when you see them. It may not mean much now.
Till you be there.
6-day work weeks with a burnout, tourist after tourist, and you knowing how they turn out, bringing in viruses we never heard about. We put our health on the line without a doubt. Then we get sick, and it's not a shocker. They expect us to die to keep the business stock up. All we need is a break and rest proper, but you can't, cause you gotta see the house doctor.
What about the people in this country? Prime Minister, tell me, can you not see? No help for the sick, we call for some change. Will you choose our health? Will our lives be saved?
Dear Prime Minister, all we ask is for a little compassion. Our healthcare system sucks. Think about how strong of an island we could be if we had access to great healthcare. We could stick around and watch our kids grow through generations, celebrate extended birthdays with grands and great-grandparents.
By the way, mi dimmi piace di New York, you mean, okay?
My boy,
Absolutely, absolutely.
Nice. So,
that he suffered, but still,
yeah, we got it right here. So,
but they can't see.
there's Ladder to PM. Check it out on YouTube. We got it on YouTube right now.
Yeah.
So just check it. Aruba Bandit. Ladder to PM.
Pill, but it's more like a vitamin and source to heal. It can cure anything, and that's not real when it feels.
And it's nice. It's nice to hear a song that he also been through this. You know, it's
So they can start
oof.
and Aruba get strong. This could be the reason.
What about the people in this country?
Right here.
Minister, tell me, can you not see?
My letter to the PM.
No help for the sick, we call for some change.
Cool and
Our
found.
health, will our lives be saved?
My letter to
Aruba Bandits. And the next one. We ready for the next one? We're ready. I'm ready.
Let's introduce it.
There's the latest one right here.
Yeah.
We got a jam.
This is the first time anybody getting to hear this record.
Check this one. Brand new.
City is mine.
It's my turn again, right? You know what I do? You know where I rap? Let's take it back home. It's the Band-Aid, baby. I hit up Camilo to get the rental ready. It's 54 feature, but it's spent already. That's how we roll on the rock. I'm representing heavy. Every time I fade in the shadow, it's only temporary. North side to the east, that's the Nicholas, baby. When you ride through these streets, you don't need a map when relying on me. Peep the navigation I provide on these beats. Players said I'm good in Dakota and Madiki too. See all my youngest that's reppin' in Portuguese the group. Before I take it out of Brazil, I'm hitting Santa Cruz, and you already know where I'm from. That's where I'm headed to, top down. Yeah, I got it like this. When the love is all love, you can spot it like this. Top songs of the year, I ain't topping that list. When it comes to AUA, I'm on top it like this. I told them once, 2, 3, a million times. I sit back, relax, I chill and rhyme. Kept the flag up through the hideous times. So no matter what you think, the city is mine.
City is mine. I stand my ground from every street to every town.
They thinking I'm the voice of the people. It must be. Even when the bank was risen, they couldn't hush me. I never turned my back on us. They trust me. Since I was jumping barricades like Rusty. I'ma be around when the game need a shake up. I'm bigger than Vanessa here on the wake up. Jason got us covered in prayer when they forsake us. Yelling that we head to the world till they embrace us. Idle beasts like Duncan, we not playing. We hold the flag like Damien at the weigh-in. It's not a brag, but now I'm saying you can find me everywhere like Tsunami playing. Haters really love, they try sneaking through. I know you see me this high, but you can reach it too. So when you saying a word, know who you speaking to. I stop and think like, what would Batiku do? I told him once, 2, 3, a million times. I sit back, relax, I chill and rhyme. Kept the flag up through the hideous times. So no matter what you think, the city is mine.
It's a brand new.
Every street to every town.
Watch everybody follow their dreams. Where we living, one the heart that be beating my chest. That's where I get it from. If I gotta make a statement, it's a vivid one. I ain't gotta talk at all. This where we get it done. The home of the strong, the brave, the blue, red, yellow, white flag that I wave. Like Diamond Chip, I was born in the stage. Now I'm a groove master in a couple of ways. Even if I'm not what you want, I'm what you need. Got it locked like Sunny, and now you can't leave. Modest, humble, but ask you shall receive. Give it to you in the first 24 like speed. Untouchable, that's what this feeling is. When you think about home, I'm what the vision is. You hear
297.
picture this, and I followed the plug like I'm Mitchellist. I told him once, 2, 3, a million times. I sit back, relax, I chill and rhyme. Kept the flag up through the hideous times. So no matter what you think, the city is mine.
City is mine.
Brand new.
Like
it on. Aruba Bandit right here. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Yeah.
So, this song, what's the name of the song?
It's called City Is Mine.
City Is Mine. Boy, you let me feel a little bit like Notorious B.I.G.
Yeah.
I felt it, man.
This is the right, Flag Day is coming up, so
Yeah,
I had to stake my claim.
So that's good, man.
Yeah.
So you're gonna be for a while here?
I'm gonna be here for a bit. I'm gonna be here
Yeah?
for Flag Day. Yeah.
So we can do a barbecue then.
Let's do it. I'm there.
Oh yeah. Nice, man. So you started with this. The idea came from, like, to match everything. It's recently, or you got this song already? Like,
It's recent.
Yeah?
That's how. Yeah. I stay in tune with like what's happening in the news, and I was watching the whole carnival season, and
yeah,
so inspiration just pops up as I and I take the train to work in New York. So while I'm on the train going back and forth.
What do you think? What do you think about? I got a question for you. That's
I already
really
know
like,
what the question is going to be.
What do you
I already
think,
know.
What do you think about the carnival in Aruba?
This last past one that
The
happened?
last one.
I mean, I think it was good. I think it was good for the culture. I think what happened was supposed to happen, right? There's some people there's some people that's already in the carnival mix, like artists, whose name is already solidified.
Yeah.
Like when you mention some people,
Yeah.
I know Diamond Chip had a strong song.
Yeah.
These guys, their names are already solidified
Yeah.
in carnival music,
Yeah.
so they don't lose nothing by, not gaining the crown, because you always gonna know Oreo, Claudius, Rusty. These guys, Tattoo.
Yeah.
These guys' names are solidified in it. So I don't think it made a big difference in that sense. But to watch this inspiration happen this year, where a person who's
I felt, my honest opinion,
Yeah.
I felt it was like we are in a competition against each other and to fight to each other, because it's like if you're not this side, you're not with us, you're against us. I felt like that. Why I mean with that? Because it's supposed to be like fun. It's supposed to be
fun. Yeah,
and
absolutely.
it's supposed to not to be like, hey, you know what? We will try to boycott or nothing like that.
Correct.
Because in a certain way, people want to feel like what we want to feel. Like they change the songs, the genre. Listen, in Aruba, we want to see what's outside, but we're not seeing what's inside.
Yeah.
And the thing is that, like, what you do, you bring in stuff and to represent this beautiful island, right?
Absolutely.
And I think the same thing, the same way also. Like, if we keep on with our culture, with our celebration that it's supposed to be, I think we can go far, way far, than we can just think about, like, you know what? We want to be like St. Martin. We want to go like Stacia.
Yeah.
But in a certain way, if you listen to our old school songs, and many people right now, we like us, we just want to say, hey, let me go back in 20 years ago
And have fun.
and have fun.
Yeah.
You understand? So, because this moment, the people don't see it. I see it like Carnival has to just, you have to enjoy.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, but ultimately, I think that's what the people did. So even though all this stuff was happening on the back scene, it looked like a lot of people had fun.
Yeah.
I seen it looked like a lot of more people participated in all the events this year than before. I know I haven't been on the carnival stage yet. Maybe one year I will. So I can't talk too much about the genre itself. But all them guys are my friends, man. All them, I got love for all of them. They all beautiful talent. They all got incredible thought process, and it takes a lot of work to get this stuff together. So,
but the positive thing is that we saw a festival pack.
Yes,
and that's the positive thing.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
we have to don't see
the negative.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because the negative, it's a good part too. You know why? Because we changed that. It won't happen again.
Correct.
So that's the good part of the negative. It's like something negative did happen, but we change it.
Yeah, but it's good. It's good too that every now and then I have something to change that kind of like shakes up the system. Like the same system has been running for so many years.
Yeah.
So now this year, kind of something came in and threw a monkey wrench in there. And they had to kind of switch it up a little bit, and so they had to scramble in last minute because it was happening in real time.
True.
But it was something that everybody had to try to figure out, like what's happening. But I think everybody had fun. It looked
Yeah.
like everybody at the parades and everybody. It looked
And
like people
you-
were really on stage
You
having
did
fun.
put something here with the flag day, the celebration, things
Yes,
like that.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
how is the feeling when you writing songs about your home?
I love it, man. This is. I mean, the contrast of when I first came here back in, I'm not gonna say the year because it was a long time ago, but contrast of me moving out of New York and then coming here.
Yeah.
I've always said it was my 4-hour flight from hell to heaven, because I went from a real bad situation in New York to a paradise in Aruba.
Okay.
So that contrast of getting the beauty of what the island was back
Yeah.
then, and at that time, even Jeff know, we had St. Nicholas was up and alive and running, and we had a lot of stuff happening outside as far as talent, the parties, clubs. So I got to witness a really beautiful side of the island that a lot of the kids now don't get to see. But
Exactly.
yeah, so
Oh, we're talking about Siki's Place. We got Siki's Place.
that's one.
Club Bonaire.
That's another. The bus
We
go,
got.
a lot of
I
them.
went every Friday to see this DJ lady play. Every Friday at the club. What's the lady name again? Yeah.
I got a picture with her. I just saw her. She's friends with my grandfather.
Yeah.
Shout out to her.
Hey, nice one.
Absolutely.
Good place. With the other one, we don't talk. It's a parent advisory right here.
Feature,
There
but
you go.
that's how we roll on the rock. I'm
Oh,
representing.
nice. So what we got next?
I'm going with the flow, man. Just
Okay.
I'm doing. I just put an album out last year called Next,
Okay.
and that was supposed to be my exit album. It's supposed to be where I stopped at.
Okay.
But after I did that, all the producers I ever worked with just sent me a bunch of beats. So I've been trying not to listen, but then I started listening, and that's where these songs are coming from. So
Nice, man. Love it, man.
I started putting
Love
a
it.
few things together. I appreciate it, man.
Love
So
it,
I don't
love
know. I don't know if it's gonna be another album, or if it's just gonna be a bunch of singles, but I'm gonna just keep going as long as they start. As
Yeah,
long as they
because if
start.
you work on an album, maybe when you think about it, at the end of the year, it's like, hey, I got more than an album.
I do got beef for Cool FM though.
Yeah?
Now that we're talking about it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
The end of the year, the top list.
Yeah.
I don't understand it.
Yeah.
I need help understanding that top list.
You were not in?
They miss me every year. I don't understand.
What?
I got to put a song out in December. I don't know.
No. That ain't gonna happen, bro.
Yeah, we gotta figure it out.
Yeah, because with me, when I had it, you had the two songs in it.
Yeah, absolutely. But I need
Well,
to know.
I
I need to
didn't-
know what the Yeah, what is it? What are you looking at? Is it the most
the-
spins? Is it the good songs? Is it?
I'm gonna wait for the guy to come because the one that makes it
Yeah.
is coming here after my show.
Okay, good.
So
tell
we
him we gotta talk.
we gotta talk. We gotta hey.
Because I seen an artist come out here to perform and he made it number 5 on the list. And
Exactly.
And he's not even from here. So
Exactly.
I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I feel you, man.
Uh-huh.
Now we can debate the whole.
Yeah, but I love the radio
I
station though.
feel
So shout
you.
out to Cool FM and the
Yeah.
whole team and the staff. No hard feelings. Just get it right this year.
No, but you're right, man. Because you saw every time sounding here. So you're right. You're absolutely right, man. So I'm good man, because the man working with this is coming to after my show. So that's good. But much love, and you know that we always promote you. We're always here.
Absolutely, bro.
When you come to me, you always in. So when you talk, hey, 101, I'm gonna be in the Aruba. Hey, come past. The last time it's because it was I was sick.
Yeah, you got sick that time.
And
yeah.
when you saw me also, like,
Yeah,
you know.
correct.
So, but for the positive thing now, this year is your year, my friend.
I appreciate it, man.
This year is your year.
I appreciate it.
Aruba Bandit.
Yes, it's the
This-
Bandit, baby.
And this song is also right now available, or it didn't?
It's gonna be available by the end of the week. So
The
it's
end of
gonna
the
be,
week.
yeah, it's a Flag Day song, so it's gonna be available for.
All right, man. Check it out.
City is
Cool
mine.
FM. The city is mine. Brand new tune. Check it out. Y así que no se cierra, man.
You know what I do?
Next coming up, the Recharge Radio. Check it out.
Back home.
Brand new tune. Cool FM. Check it out.
It's the band day, baby. I hit up Camilo to get the rental ready. It's 54 feature, but it's spent already. That's how we roll on the rock. I'm representing heavy. Every time I fade in the shadow, it's only temporary. North side to the east, that's the Nicholas, baby. When you ride through these streets, you don't need a map when relying on me. Peep the navigation I provide on these beats. Players said I'm good in Dakota, and my Diki too. See, I'm my youngest that's repping and put